So as you know, I'm doing this keto low carb diet, and the other day I was craving loaded potato skins, and I was thinking, what can I do? I knew what to do. Avocados. We're making my loaded avocado skins. These are low carb, keto friendly, and they taste absolutely amazing. Trust me. So firstly, what you want to do is grab your avocado, slice it up, remove the stone, and then spoon out that flesh. But you don't want all of it. Do leave about 1 millimeter or 2 of the avocado flesh still in there, because that will help hold its shape when we come baking it later on. Place the avocado into a bowl. I'm gonna hit both the skins and the avocado flesh with some lime juice, some fresh lime juice, and that acidity will stop the skins from browning on the inside, and also obviously the flesh from browning as well, because we want a nice vibrant green color. Now to help flavor up some of this avocado, I'm gonna be adding in some chopped cilantro or coriander, and also some chives as well. I love the onion flavors with the chives, nice and soft and subtle. And of course that coriander or cilantro is gorgeous. If you're not a fan of it, you can use parsley, it's up to you. Hit it with a bit of salt and pepper. And I'm also gonna be using some sour cream as well, just to give it that creamy texture along with the avocado. It goes great with it, and especially with the chicken later on. And give it a good mix around, mash it all up, get it nice and creamy, and then just put it aside and we can get started on our chicken. So into a pan over a medium to high heat, I'm gonna add in some extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm gonna place in my chicken breast pieces. You can use the chicken thigh if you want to, of course. I just had some chicken breasts lying around, so I just chopped them up roughly, placing them in, and I'm gonna season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. But what I am gonna hit it with is some taco seasoning. Now I've got this seasoning mix in my cupboard, and it's really simple to make at home. We're just talking about chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, some red pepper flakes, oregano, paprika, cumin. Really great spices and herbs that give it this amazing color as well. And just mix it until you got some great color on that chicken and it is cooked through. Over that medium to high heat with these chicken pieces, it should only take 6 to 7 minutes. Take them out of the pan, straight into the avocado mixture. Give it a good mix around, and the flavors already, you could sit there and eat this. It is so, so good, but we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna bring back those avocado skins and load them up with that avocado and chicken. I place them on a baking tray lined with some foil, and I sprinkle over some cheese over the top. I've got a mixed cheese here. It goes really well. It's got a great melt on it. It browns nicely as well. And then I place them under the griller for 5 minutes, just until that cheese starts to melt and it goes golden brown. Bring them out. I hit it with some more chives, some more coriander, and have a look at them. They are amazing. They smell so good, and those flavors just go so well together. If you wanted to add bacon to this, go for it. It would be even better, but I do love the simplicity of this one. It makes the perfect lunch or dinner. It is so good. And when you get stuck into them, have a look how creamy they are on the outside. That beautiful cheese is all melted. The chicken is nice and moist. My mouth is watering. So grab the recipe and try these out. Links are in the description to my website to get to the recipe. Please give it a thumbs up, share it around with your friends and family, and I'll see you real soon for another recipe. Until then, have an amazing day.